How to fix Warzone Mobile? Your device is not compatible with this version in Bluestacks. How can you simply solve this error? If you're facing that your device is not comfortable or compatible for the game you're downloading or launching on your phone, how can you simply do this thing in your mobile phone? Firstly, the first step is to simply check that our mobile phone qualifies all the requirement and the criteria to install this game into our mobile phone. Like if Warzone Mobile is compatible with 8 GB RAM, then it won't run in my mobile phone because it is 4 GB. What you have to do is please try to install the game on any other uh, application or website. But now I will tell you that how can you simply download a game in your phone without doing anything or without stucking anywhere. Simply we will download this game through a third party website, searching on our Google search bar here. Search for Warzone mobile application game in small size app download. You can simply download the application on your phone and then install it in your mobile phone. You won't face any type of error like this. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching this. Please subscribe our channel for watching more technical videos, updates and reviews like this.